Hi, namaste everyone. Today, let's learn to make this beautiful daisy flower keychain. We need yellow yarn and white yarn, fiber filling, connector or jump ring, keychain, scissor, and most important, we need 3 mm hook. Let's begin. Make a magic ring. Six single crochet in magic ring. Tight the ring, pulling the yarn. Join the first row in the very first chain, making a slip stitch. One chain, and in second row we're gonna increase 6 single stitch in every single stitch. In total we're gonna have 12 single stitch in second row. We will crochet 2 single stitches in each chain. Like this we complete this row. We have 12 single stitches. Now let's join the row by making a slip stitch in very first chain. Chain 1, and in this row we will have 1 single stitch and 1 increase. In total we will have 18 single stitch. We will increase in every alternate chain. Like this we will complete this row as well. We have 18 single stitches. Now let's join this row as well by making a slip stitch, chain 1, and in fourth and last row we will have in total 24 single stitches. We will crochet 2 single stitches and 1 increase. 1 single stitch, 1 single stitch, and we will crochet here 2 single stitch. 1 single stitch, 1 single stitch, and in third chain we will crochet 2 single stitch. Like this we will complete this row as well. We completed our last and fourth row. Let's finish it by making a slip stitch and cut the yarn. We need 2 parts, which is gonna be in center part of the daisy flower. Now we'll use white yarn to make the daisy petals. This is the right part, this is the rough and wrong part. This is the right part outside, right part outside. Let's join white yarn to make petals. So we join the white one. Now let's make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and make triple crochet in the same chain. Like this. 1 more triple crochet in same chain. Now we'll make triple crochet in next chain. another triple crochet in the next same chain. Three chain, slip stitch in next chain, this is our one petal for our daisy flower. Make 3 chain, 2, 3 and triple crochet in the same chain where we slip stitch before. Triple crochet in the same chain. Triple crochet in next chain. One more triple crochet in the next same chain. Three chain, slip stitch in next chain. This is our second petals. 3 chain and 2 triple crochet in the same chain, 2 triple crochet in the next chain, 3 chain and slip stitch in the next chain. So where we had slip stitch, we made 3 triple crochet in the same chain and 3 triple crochet in the next chain and 3 chain and slip stitch in the next chain. Like this we will complete the round. So we came here and this little part is remaining, so we are filling the fiber here to make it a little bit filler, which gives the daisy flower a 3D look. Let's complete this part. So we completed our daisy flower making process. Now we will tie the yarn and cut it out. To make it secure, let's make a knot here. You can cut or you can hide the yarn. I will hide the yarn a little bit. Now let's cut it here and hide this part as well. cut here. That's it. Our daisy flower is complete now. So now we will add keychain. This gives a not a clean and neat look for the flower, so we will fire lighter and we will clean it up. So this looks very neat and clean. It looks like I used cotton yarn, but actually I use 100% acrylic yarn. After finishing, this looks very neat and clean. Let's make the keychain. We need a connector. Actually I don't have very fancy tools, so I have this one a little bit heavier for the keychain, but I use it to make anyway. Now let's insert the connector in the base of the petals, here in the between of two petals. Let's insert the keychain. And connect it. That's it. Our keychain is ready. You can see the result here. This is very beautiful. You can use as a bag charm, keychain. You can gift it. This is very, very beautiful. I made another one a little bit smaller. You can make as big as you want, as small as you want. See how beautiful it is. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for such tutorials video.